all things come to a close, and so as I have asked to give the closing address and give vote of thanks to all the people who have acclimated here. It is indeed, I would tell you, Rome was not built in a single day, and I am very proud to say that this is 13, we are stepping onto our 13 years. Luminous Infoways has become a teenager. Yes, beginning of 4 sunshine years, and just like how a child grows from the very beginning and reaches maturity through its adulthood, Luminous Infoways is striving very hard to go on the similar pathway, and we are taking care to imbibe all kinds of technological innovations and seek support to R&D services. Now I'll just go because it's not a chronological manner, I'm just going randomly how I feel today because I feel very emotional seeing such kind words being restored to Luminous Infoways. First of all, I will thank Dr. R.K. Mitra, IIT Delhi, who has taken the pain to come over here and tell us the main meaning of e-governance, the work that Luminous Infoways has been doing for the past 7 years. That you have to bring e-governance to common people, and yes sir, we will definitely be working towards going towards rise and dusk IT solutions, and these solutions will be sustainable and will be brought to the doorstep of the citizen. Thank you sir for all your kind words, and yes, we would also like to imbibe a little bit of luminous in everyone's life. Then I would like to thank Srimati Shrupa Mitra Chaudhary. As you know, she is already heading a very important key position which is going to help women in a very big way. I must tell you friend, it is not that she is dealing with the subject of women that inspires me, but the very fact that she says it is not gender equality but gender humility which will drive a woman towards success. And that is true my friend. Gender humility is the thing when a woman gets all the support from her family as well as from her well-wishers to surge ahead in the pathway of career and success. And definitely madam, we would like to provide a social justice through our delivery mechanism, through our IT solutions, and we would like to touch the 1.3 billion people of India. And not only India, we would also like to go a step further and start to reach our initiatives to the South Asian markets, which we are already putting up. And yes ma'am, Ei Jivano Punno Karo, this beautiful heartfelt song will definitely remain with us for a long period to come. Thank you madam. Now I'd like to thank Shri J.V. Pani, President TiE Bhubaneswar. Yes sir, we would be associated with IT, which will become an enabler and will be inclusive. And yes, we are also looking forward to TiE, because not only Luminous Infoways is going to different TiE events, even in Delhi I am trying to attend as many TiE events which would be helping an Oriya entrepreneur to set up foot to national visibility. So definitely we will be looking towards TiE, and from our experience we would like to give back papers, we would like to give back journals, and we would like to give back thought processes to TiE, through which more and more innovative applications can be generated. Then I would like to thank our Honorable Minister Devi Prasad Mishra, who has taken a lovely amount, who has given us a lovely amount of time today here, and who has listened very, very minutely to all the speeches being told. And this not only encourages us, but makes us feel that we are definitely going on the right course of direction, and these small steps which we are taking will definitely yield Luminous Infoways to be in the big league, such as how we are seeing Infosys, IBM and other companies. In the similar way, we would generate Infosys from the soil of Orissa. Thank you sir, this gives a lot of encouragement, and I am very sure we are going to achieve that. And last and not the least, I am so thankful to all the people who are present here, all the people who have taken the pain to come here, all my Rotarian friends, all the CII, all the TiE group, the Invest Bhubaneswar people, my customers. And for the customers, I must tell you one thing. It may so happen when we are dealing with IT solutions, we are not expert in all fields. But definitely, whenever you are encountering an issue or any problem, you must remember we are just a click away or just a call away. If you call one single Luminian, be it my R&D executive, be it my marketing executive, be it my developer, with one call of the voice, you will be able to connect to the right person who's going to give back the solutions to you. So this is what we believe in, that on a single call, you can get the access of your solution from any Luminian. That is how we have coached our people, and I am very sure they will be going ahead and giving you the right kind of solution in this manner only. Thank you so much. And beside that, I thank the people from the media. I thank the people from all the departments who have accumulated here. I thank the people from Jharkhand, New Delhi, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim who are present over here. And I'm very sure in our next annual day function, next foundation day, we will even have the people from Rajasthan and other centers here. Because you know, in India, we don't feel isolated. We feel that all pan-India, it is very same, very similar. The applications are similar, the people are similar, and Luminous with the best practices which we have developed the solution will be very beautifully being implemented throughout Pan-India in a similar manner. Now the time has come that we are now thinking of venturing out to South Asian countries, which already we have taken some steps, and very sure that in 14th Foundation Day in 2014, we'll be able to give you a much better story and much improvised version of Luminous Infoways. Thank you very much. Thank you all for coming, and with this we would request you to please stay back, because there will be a small cultural program being played up which is being prepared by our Luminians, and which is why you don't see much of faces here, because they are behind the back preparing for the same.